Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and I wanted to talk about my new product, uh, which is actually a couple new products here that I'm going to go over. New Master Close-Up Magic, Volume 1 and 2. So it's $29.99. You're going to get access on Volume 1 to 35 amazing new Pro Magic routines. We're going to talk about what I'm teaching on here. So Coin Magic Kata 1, this is something that I've developed for many, many years, and I teach to my students. It's an incredible coin kata, and it's inspired from my martial arts background. Really incredible. Next is my OK coin production, as used by Shin Lim. Shin Lim uses this. He does a variation of it. And this one also includes my Vanish, which he doesn't have. Um, the Willow the Wisp coin Vanish was created by Chuck Smith. I learned it from one of my mentors, Roger Klaus. This is on here. It's an incredible coin Vanish using a pen. Next is called the Tiger Tail Coin Routine. I created this to teach my students. This is an incredible routine, comedy coin routine. Next, I have a new effect, which is called the Collector's Transposition. It's my variation of a uh, Jim Swain effect. Next is we have Three Musketeers card trick created by Gene Hugard. This is an incredible routine. Then I have Akens. I have 4 versions of Akan. I'm obsessed with this plot. Akan number 1, it's variation number 1. Variation number 2 is I have an idea with the transposition. Version number 3, and then I have my new informational glimpse, which may be used with this, of course, so you don't have to ask them what their card was. Very powerful. You can use it with the invisible deck and with mentalism and much more. So these are universal principles of magic and mentalism. Then I have a 2-deck Akan, which is really powerful on here. 1 in 52 is a self-working card effect created by Leonard Green. Next up, I have an effect that I created, which is called Cut to Any Ace. The spectator names any ace, club, heart, spade, or diamond, and you will cut to it each time. Very powerful. Next, I have my new double production and prediction, which is a brand new effect. Next up is the Flighty Aces. You can watch a demo of that. I do a demo on the video on this sales page. That's a beautiful effect. It's Flighty Aces. It's an impossible ace assembly with using an envelope, using 2 envelopes. Next, we have the Hornswoggled Force. This was created by Carl Fulves. Next, I have an original new red and black sponge ball routine where I take a red poker chip and a black poker chip, and or I take a red sponge and a black sponge, and it involves the red chip and black poker chip and a transposition. I'll leave this mysterious over here. I have extra sponge ball routine new ideas. And next up, an original effect called the Sheared Cubes to Dice, which is a great transitional routine for your going to your dice routine. It's a close-up routine. This is close-up magic. Next, we have a mentalism effect, which is called Never Say Dies from Ken Krenzel. This is from a Tarbell course in magic. Next, it's a brand new effect. I took an idea from Ed Marlowe and I took it several steps further. It's called New Double Mental Triumph, and it's two thought of cards which are lost, face up, face down. The spectator shuffles the deck, and then I unmix it and find those cards. Really impossible. Next, I have an impossible bottle production. I'll attach a demo to that. The new flying cards is my version of flying cards. The cards across, it's got 5 different cards across ideas in it. Absolutely phenomenal. I use the thought of card across. This is absolutely the best cards across. Next, I show the riffle pass. I show the real work tipped. I learned from Jeff Lotta, Chris Kenner, and from Louis Simonoff, and my own ideas for having the most invisible and clean riffle pass ever. The real work tipped. Next is a signed card envelope. Okay, continuing on. So the name of this product is the New Master Close-Up Magic Volume 1, and we're talking about the new magic on here. And I'm right here. There's two signed card envelopes, two versions. One is with one envelope, one is with two. Okay. Next routine is a gambling routine called the Four Bullets created by Al Leach. The Better Magician is another gambling routine by Al Leach. Then I have New Telltale Aces, which is my version of a Larry Jennings and Michael Skinner effect. I put a new ending on that. Next, I have Unbelievable Aces by Ed Marlowe. Next up, I have a coin routine called the New Strange Exchange Finale. It was created by Paul Harris, but in mine, I do a transposition with the shape, with a coin and a card, where the card becomes round and the coin becomes square. This is a phenomenal brand new routine. Next up is my version of Chris Kenner's Three Fly. I call it the New Super Three Fly. I fooled many master magicians with my magic. This is one where the hand is shown completely empty on front and back on the last vanish. Next is called the New Stretching Chinese Coin Spellbound, and it is an incredible spellbound where I stretch into a rectangular shaped Chinese coin at the end. Then I have my Super Jumbo Coin routine, which is a gradual growing jumbo coin routine. That's my original. So this will be on the content of Volume 1. That includes 35 amazing brand new exclusive Pro Magic routines with 35 instructional videos on here. So this is $29.99. Okay, so get your copy today. Next, we have another brand new product, which is Volume 2. And this is new Master Close-Up Magic Volume 2. And there's 38 amazing new Pro Magic routines on here. You're going to get 38 instructional videos. And this is absolutely incredible. I have my brand new color change inspired from my Eclipse color change. I call it the Gradual Ghost Color Change. And it's a progressive color change where parts of the card appear and vanish and appear. Very incredible. Next up is an incredible 3-coin production. Then I have Martineau Coin Productions is 7 of my original coin productions. Next up, we have the new amazing 3-coin routine. Then I have a lot of originals on here. I have the chocolate hologram coin, which is a great idea. Then I have the porous paw, which is probably the best version of the coins through hand, where you can show the hand empty where the coin penetrates visually through the hand. Then I have an original card printing artistry with 4 blank cards, one at a time they print up. This is a great opening of packet effect. Then I have Dice Matrix, which is a full routine. I have my Half a Miracle, which is an incredible borrowed bill routine. I have a brand new routine, which is called the New 4 Bullets. And then I have Instant 4 Aces production, which is created by my mentor, Alan Ackerman. Next up, I have something called the Top Gun Aces and Bermuda Triangle. This is a really awesome routine. Then I have an original ace, a lot of original ace productions here. This one's called Mirror Aces, and it's a very incredible routine with the 4 aces, where at the end they change into 4 aces with mirrored backs. It's a great routine to put into any 4 ace routine as a kicker. Next is a classic. It's a 1 at a time 4 ace assembly. This was created by Ed Marlowe. This is still one of my favorite ace assemblies. Next is the number transposition, and I have a variation. It's an improved version of Ed Marlowe's. I eliminate a slight on it, and it's absolutely phenomenal. If you love A-cans, this is a good follow-up for an A-can, where you do 2 cards to any number, any card to any number, and then they change places. So this is a great finale. This is a plot created by Marlowe. It's called the number transpo. Next up, we have the new triple coincidence. That's based off an Al Leach effect. Then I have an original new card to nest of boxes, which involves a wonderful progressive vanish using my Eclipse color change and something else on here, which is really, really super visual. Gradual vanish of the signed card ends up in. All right, I'm continuing on. This is my new product I'd like to introduce to you called New Master Close-Up Magic Volume 2 by me, Darin Martineau, right here. And this is absolutely incredible. So we're going over the material that I'm teaching on here. You're going to get 38 amazing, exclusive, brand new pro close-up magic routines. It includes 38 instructional magic videos, okay? So this is the effect that I was talking about, is my new card to nested boxes. Next up, I have a new rub down coin, which is my variation of a Ross Bertram effect. Really awesome coin routine. Then I have a new invisible coins routine, which is I produce a clear disc, and then it's like a gradual coin production, and then I go into a 3 coin routine. This is a wonderful idea for an opening coin production sequence. Next, I have my super matrix routine, which is a very strong finale where I produce several coins and jumbo coin at the end of a matrix. It's a great kicker for any matrix. Next, I have my original new casting shadows coin supreme. Oh, this has got to be one of the best. I think this is my best matrix ever. It's based on many shadow coins effects, but I've added many, many great subtleties to it and new things. Next up, I have the new hanging coins, which is a super visual version, probably the most visual version of hanging coins. One of the most visual that I've ever created and seen. Next, we have the new fusion matrix. This is a really incredible matrix routine where I use quarters, and as they jump, like the 2 quarters would jump into one corner, then it would change into a 50-cent piece, and then it becomes a silver dollar. It's a really great idea. Next up, I have new Mirage, which is my variation of a David Harkey effect. I've used that professionally, and this involves a friction pen as a repeat. Stunning effect, super visual magic. Next, I have a card routine called the new murder mystery card routine. This is a wonderful routine. This is all very strong magic on here. Next, I have my variation of a David Roth classic, the portable hole. This is a new portable hole routine where I've added some modern technology to it and made it cleaned up. Next, we have the new revolutionary aces and kings. This is a really awesome effect here. Then I have a coin routine called the new silver dust coin routine. This is based on a Gary Willett effect, and I've taken to new levels. Next, we have the new slippery aces, which is my routine. It's a variation of a Jack Avis effect. It's got so much awesome stuff with the pass in it and new subtleties. Next, we have what's called Reflections of Reality 2. David Roth would be proud of this routine. This is where I change the coins into mirror coins. It's a wonderful routine. You can use it as a coin finale. Next, we have something I'm very proud of, which is called Spectator Cuts Quadruple. It's inspired from my mentor Alan Ackerman's Spectator Cuts Triple. I've added a fourth 4 of a kind, so it produces 4 of a kinds. This is one of my best effects by far. Next, we have Sugar High 2. This was inspired from my friend Chris Randall's Sugar High. I do a transposition of a chocolate coin and the silver with the silver glitter inside of the sugar packet. Next is my variation of an effect created by Ed Marlowe and Alan Ackerman. I call it the X Factor, and this is a thought of card, and it's a really wonderful mental card effect. Then the final effect I call Twin Phoenix Productions. My production, the 4 Aces and the 4 Kings. It's one of the most visual card productions, and producing the Aces and Kings or whatever you'd like to produce. 8 selections. It's a super visual 8-card production, 2 4 of a kinds or whatever you like. So there you have it. This is the new Master Close-Up Magic Volume 2 for $29.99. So click on the link and get this now. And thank you very much. Have a magical day.